Wormwood, Poppy, and Nightshade. Go Postal by Jack Varnell. The sting is a realization that all you do is bring the mail and empty packages while someone else delivers. It must be overwhelming. It leaves you only with bills and junk mail, a wrong step in the wrong direction. Could make a dog named Narcissus bite your leg, ripping your ego to shreds. Perhaps a bottle or two of Absinthe or a flower called belladonna would make you feel much better. I know I would. Seek out ultimate sin in Sinless City, or go away quietly. There is nothing left for you where the flatlands meet the mountains. It's too far off your route to deliver there. You'd have to do it alone. Out with yourself. There is a warehouse full of pages about how you'd feel about that. You bought it, now pay for it, and drink up knowing no teenage Chicanos are allowed in Paris, no Jaguars in Vegas, no Cougars in Mormontown, no one home when you deliver the next package of words from the Lie of the Month Club. You less than kindly asked them to leave, believing they'd come crawling back. You imagine the Texas one really cared with no commitment. Secretly, you cried while your last chance turned to dust on furniture behind her locked door. Why fret? There was one before the other, and one before that. The 2 or 3 you imagine, at least they will always be there. How sad. Tell Mommy we all said hello. Whisper it in her ear while she sleeps. After the dog, Narcissus. Choose the heart of the postman again for lunch. 1 too many false moves. Perhaps a bottle or 2 of Absinthe and a flower called Poppy would make you feel much better. Seek out ultimate sin in Sinless City. Ah, sweet relief after flowers. Who wants to be around someone like you? I'm tired of hearing you talk about it. Just do it. Seek out the ultimate sin.